Alright, hello YouTube land, welcome back to the channel. I am in Red River, New Mexico area. We're hiking up to the, I think it's the West Middle Fork Trailhead. Can't quite remember. But we're several miles away from Red River, New Mexico. Beautiful area. We're not really doing much back country or anything just because we've got some reports that about halfway up the mountain, there's several feet of snow. So it's just gonna be just some geocaching, checking out a few things, maybe running into town, doing a few things there. Went to the brewery yesterday. But we're at 9,500, and here's the view right now up the road. Been seeing some people hike up into the mountains, but not quite sure what they're doing once they hit the several feet of snow that's still up there. Brought the drone. Hopefully we'll get some shots, so more to come. And I'll show you the geocache we're going to as well. All right, so we're at the Middle Fork, Red River, as you can see. Pretty nice. It's right along the road. There's a little camping area right here. Looks like a little turn off from the road, but it's gorgeous up here, it really is. If you ever have the opportunity to come see this area, recommend it. All right, we're just taking a quick break. We are at the trailhead. And I believe, yes, this is the East Fork Trailhead. Just taking a quick break, did some droning. Remember, past here is the wilderness area and drones are not allowed, and I respect that. You know, wilderness areas are places where humans are a guest. So don't forget that when you're in wilderness areas. So we're gonna go in a couple hundred feet, sorry, and get the geocache, and then that should be it. All right, we found a way across. Let's hope we don't die. We made it. Now we're in the meadow. Nice, look at that. All right, let's go get it. Okay, it says we're within 10 feet here of it, so let's see if we can find it. Come here, stay near. Well, now it says 30 feet. But imagine it's near a tree, right? And it's a canister, like a ammo can, it said. So it's gonna be big and green. And I imagine it's next to a tree, but I don't know. All right, look what we got here. Love it. I'm a little confused because I thought it would said ammo can, but as you can tell, not an ammo can. So let's jump into it. All right, nothing like a solid geocache. It is just a small sign. It's just got a little piece of paper in it. You sign it. So I don't usually bring a pen. I don't usually sign it. I just usually mark it on the app. All right, job well done. Now back to the cabin. I can't tell you how gorgeous this little meadow area is. I mean, just look at it. It is awesome. Right here next to the trailhead. Trailhead's right there. Looks like they have a little area to block horses from crossing that low area. But super nice. Well, this is nice. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think you can. There's some trout or something here in the river. Sammy's screwing with them. But yeah, look at them swimming around, fishing around. Yeah, look at that guy right there. Hiding by the tree. I'm assuming these are trout. Yeah, there's a big school of them right there you probably can't see. Very nice. Alright, Red River. It's a solid 10 out of 10, 8-hour drive from OKC. The town's got plenty to do, ski season stuff, brewery and distillery. Tons of hiking, tons of day stuff if you want. Get a cabin and just do day stuff. Wonderful. Or if you really want to go into the wilderness and do a 15-mile hike like I did last year, you can do that too. Tons of space, tons of things, well worth it. Well, if you want to keep on seeing some more hidden gems wherever I end up, subscribe. I'll show you all the places I'm going, learn a little bit about the area, see what to expect. Here she comes. It'll be a good time. Anyway, we'll see you out there.